Yo, what's get up? This is Phil. I'm here in Warsaw in the Old Town City Center. A really beautiful place. I've been to over 30 countries. I've lived in 5 countries, and this is one of the most epic and beautiful city centers I've ever been in. In this video I'm going to talk about the perfect opening line. I've been to so many countries and I've been approaching girls in the street in many countries, and in this video I'm gonna give you the perfect and universal opening line for approaching girls in the street. So how do you do that? When you approach girls in the street, you always have to tell the girl why you're there, because there are people that beg for money, there are people that want to sell you shit, there are people that want to do bad things. For example, back in Frankfurt I've seen this girl got robbed by some random dude and he just took her wallet. So girls are afraid of that stuff. So what you will have to do is that you put everything into context. So you just let the girl know, hey, I'm here because I want to talk to you. And for example, you can say, yeah, you just walked past and you looked really cute because of your red dress or your blonde hair or your red lipstick or whatever. You just have to make her a unique compliment after you've told her why you're there. So I'm not a big fan of pick-up routines and sleazy stuff, but if you want to have like a fallback line on how you can open girls anytime, anywhere in the daytime, then it's important that you have a fallback line like this. So the following, you can always use it. It sounds like that. Hey, excuse me, young lady, I have to tell you something. Then you pause to build sexual tension. Then you say, I've just seen you from over there, you just walked past, and the first thing I've noticed about you is, and then you deliver a compliment. And that's the perfect line. Then you start a conversation about her nationality, how she looks. You talk in statements about her job or about her mood that she's actually in. That's the 3 topics you can be talking about: nationality, mood, job, aka occupation. And when you've been doing this, when you've been talking in statements, then you, my friends, can have amazing conversations with the girls. That's the perfect opening line you can use anywhere. You don't have to use it that much. I don't use any routines or fallback lines anymore. I'm totally natural. And if you want to learn how to pick up girls anytime, anywhere, and find your dream girl eventually, then just hit me up and join my Facebook group and subscribe to this channel, my friends. Thank you for watching.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplified deep inside once I